So guys, what's happening today is that here in Madurai Medical College, the first years have a separate hostel, a separate building as a matter of fact, for anti-ragging purposes I guess. So after first prof, we are required to move to another hostel to make way for the new first year that will be joining. So yeah, let's together do that. This is my first year room. All shabby, right? I know. But I had made many memories during this period. My first time meeting my roommates, playing games, sleepless nights. Just how fast life goes. Can't hold on to good times forever. Move on and make more good memories. That's life. Now coming back, let's start packing. We have to pack all the things starting from books, stationeries, clothes and other stuffs. Well, we have all day. Yeah, we will be able to do it, I guess. Packing is deciding 90% what to keep and 10% wondering how your room turned into a dustbin. So guys, we have almost packed our books. Now, maybe 1 hour is enough to do the rest.
2,000 years later.
So now guys, we are going to a new room, our second year room. We have to clean it also, so let's go fast. So this is our new room. Yeah, it's smaller than our previous one. 3 students per room. We have to adjust. Little bit difficult. MBBS is all about adjustment and adapting to new situations. It's a government college. Can't expect more. I have allergies, so it was necessary to clean this room. So let's get into that. So guys, I have started packing and shifting into my new hostel room. Let's go. As you can see, there are 2 shelves in this room, and I'll be occupying that shelf. We have called the electrician to fix the fan and he will come as soon as possible. I have just started shifting into this room. So guys, after 4-5 hours of shifting our room into our new room, after cleaning it, dusting it off, we have finally finished shifting our room. So let's go for the reveal. So guys, let us see again in the next video. Thank you.